Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Nahian and welcome to my channel Code with Abdullah Nahian. Today we are going to make a new video tutorial. So our today topic is how to make a car rental website using ACF and Elementor Pro. So it will be full functional features for car rental website. So let's start. So before we start, we have to check our demo. So first we have a top bar, like we have phone number, email address, and we have a button. Then we have a header part with logo and our menu part. Then we have our hero section, subheading, heading, paragraph, and two buttons. Then we have this part. After this we have about us section like this. Then after this we have our services section. Our services section will be like this. Then we have our counter section. Then we have our pricing plan will be like this one. Then we have our testimonials part. Then we have our features part. Then we have our FAQ or frequently asked question part, and it will accordion part. Okay. Then we have our block section like this, and finally we have footer. So if we go to our inner page, so first we have our cards page. So card page contain all pages, all cards here like this card. Okay, if you click here any card view details, you will find details these cards like per day, $300, 4 doors, 6 passengers, 2 luggage, auto transmission, yes, air condition, car age, then if thumbnail, then is title, short description, and few features like this. And here booking form like pickup date, return date, message, etc. and gallery part. Then we have about a section, about a space, and then we have our services will be our like this one. Then we have our drivers part. So we have this driver or driver listed here. So if you click on view profile, we will show driver profile here, yes, like this. And driver contact form. Then we have our blog space, and if you click here blog page, any single blog. Okay, so single blog page will be open here. And finally we have our contact space, like this, this one. So in this video I will show you how to make this full website step by step from scratch. So for start this project, I already installed WordPress in my local host, and here is nothing here. So I for work easier, I already installed few premium themes. So if you go to plugins, so actually here dashboard, here Elementor Pro version is installed now with free version, and for theme we use Hello Elementor, and here we use ACF Pro version. Okay, so first we need to create our this header part, then we create our this footer part. Okay, fine. So go to here, and here we can go to Elementor, and from here theme builder. So from here we can choose header. So this part for header show all over the website. Okay, so we don't need any default template or page, so remove this part. So first we rename this part like header. Okay, status publish, and preview settings here no need for now. Okay, so before we start we need to our default color, font family, etc. So from here we just click on publish, add condition, so include entire site. Okay, save includes. Okay, so go to here our site settings. So first choose our global colors. So already I color colors, so this is as our primary color, so I change this color to our primary. This is our like our secondary color. Actually this will be our text color. Okay, secondary color. Okay, accent color remains same. Okay, from custom colors we use this is as our add color. So first like BG1, that's mean background 1, so we can use this color. Another color like BG2, that's mean background color 2, so color will be like hash F4 F4 F4. Then we can add border, so just write here border and change color to hash triple D. Then we use white color, so write here name like white and change color to white color. Okay, save changes. Back to editor. Okay, so one thing we forgot to set our global fonts. So after colors we go to global fonts. So for use here public sense, so we can search for public sense font, public sense. So we can just select here. Okay, then here we can search for again public sense. Actually we use one font this side, public sense. Then here we can search for public sense font, public sense, and finally here accent right here like public sense. Okay, now click on save changes. Back to editor. So for this first we need a section flexbox. Okay, and in time I can go to theme editor to settings part. So in this project we don't use Elementor atomic builder, so I can just deactivate this part. I have it. Okay, I have make dedicated video about this topic. So in this project we don't use this. Okay, then here we go to here again, sorry, here advanced, not here. So back to here. From advanced we can load font support. Yes, form submission is enabled. Okay, everything perfect. Now click on save changes. Remove this step and refresh the page. So click on plus icon again here flexbox. Then we can choose this equal to column. So from settings we can change our background color to as our primary color. From layout we can choose vertical and center. So from here we can search for icon list. Okay, so we can just drag and drop here. So from icon list we can just copy this number from here. Okay, so first item we can just paste here, change icon to font icon, and here just link for tail, and here this number, and remove all spaces. Okay, and okay, just now. Then we need our email address, so copy this address from here and just paste here, right here like envelope, and here just like mail to, paste here. Okay, and remove this part. And here at the right side we need a button. So for button we use this one. So you can just write here like book card, is book card, sorry, book now. And here we can search for icon, so we can like car icon. So for car icon we can use this icon. So first one, go to style, we can choose here content to inline. So from style we can go to icon, so I can change to our secondary color. Okay, and icon size like 12 pixel. Then we have text color is okay, and font size we can font weight like 500, font size like 15 pixel, 14 I think is okay. Now this button, go to style and change color to our secondary color. From here we can choose font text transform capitalize. Okay, and from here this button we can click here right side. Okay, so we don't need extra padding, so we can remove padding from here, and from section advanced we can remove padding. So custom top 10 bottom 10 I think is okay. Now click on publish, preview changes. I think for now it's okay. Okay, now we need to header part, so I move to this part here. So we don't add any menu part yet. So for now we go to here pages, we create few pages. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So our first page will be like our home page. So say right here like home, click on publish. Then our cards. Okay, then we need our about us, our services. So just right here about us. publish. Then our services, click on publish. Then we have like drivers, blocks, containers. Okay, so just write here drivers, then blocks, and finally containers. Okay, now click on publish and publish site. Now go to here settings to our reading. So from here change static page to a home page as our home and post page as our blocks. Click on save changes. Okay, now go appearance to our menus part. So from here just write here main menu and location main menu. Okay, so view all, select all and add to menu. So here we don't have sample page, so I can remove from here. So after home, then cards page, then about us, then our services, then drivers, then blocks, containers. Perfect. Now click on save menu. Okay, now refresh the page again. So here click on flash this icon, we can choose this layout. Okay, and from here layout to align it as middle, and from here we can choose site logo. Okay, so change site logo. Now here rent car, okay, description is okay. Now site logo icon, upload files. So I have already collected all images. So from cards, so we have our logo, this one. Select file. Now click save changes. Now back to editor. Okay, now from here settings, go to style and change background color to our secondary color, this color, yes. And from here we can choose this size to like maybe 15, yes, I think 15 is okay, and for remaining 85 this way. Okay, that's great. Now we can search for menu, WordPress menu. So from here main menu selected, right side go to style, and from here text color we can change color to our white color. Okay, then hover color we can change, sorry, here one thing, it's underline not, we can choose for text and grow none. Okay, now go to style, and from here hover effect we can choose as our primary for hover effect. Okay, active color we can choose as our primary. Okay, now horizontal padding 0, vertical padding 0, so all padding 0. Now here space for like 30 pixels. So if you check here, yes. Now click on publish. So if you check our header part, I think our header is done now. And here we have like few spaces, I think increase padding. So top 20, bottom 20. Okay, and from here go to advanced, add motion effects. So from here sticky top, yes, that's perfect. Now click on publish. Okay, so after this we need to make our common footer part. So common footer 4 column and this way. Okay, so for go to Elementor and theme builder, we can add new. So we can choose footer. So we don't need any default things. So from here go to page settings. So we can just write here footer, status published. Okay, click on publish and add condition, yes, is include and show entire site, save and close. So from here we can choose 4 column. So here we can flash box, then 4 column, go to style, and here background type we can upload image. So we have upload like footer, this image. Okay, select, then we can write here position center, display size, cover. Then we can go to background overlay. So from here we can choose here like our secondary color, secondary not, we can our main color, and point like 85. or we can use actually this color. I think it will be okay. Or if you don't use any, we can use actually this color. Copy this color from here and check. Yes, it's shown now, I think. Okay, so for now we can add our site logo from here. Okay, now we need this content from here, text editor. So from here we can just write here text editor and just paste here and go to advanced, and advanced we can write here padding top like 80 pixel, bottom 30 pixel. Okay, fine. And here we need our social. So for social we can search for our social icon. So here Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. So Facebook, Twitter, another one LinkedIn. So here we can search for LinkedIn, this icon. Okay. So here we can just write here https www.facebook.com. Then right here twitter.com. Then we have youtube.com. Then linkedin.com. Okay, then we need our this heading. Okay, so for now we can use a heading, this one, change text to h4. Okay, and paste here. Then copy this one and paste and paste. So from here we can just write here like quick links. Then we have contact information. Okay, so actually this is our not overlay. We need to put this color here, so you can here like secondary color. Yes, this look more better now. Okay, fine. Then we have this our menu part. So search for menu and WordPress menu, drag and drop here. Okay, so here we have all cards, but we don't yet card added. So for now we can just use our quick links. So for quick links we have cards, driver, disclaimer. So for now we can add a new menu and 3 pages, disclaimer, privacy policy, terms and condition. So for now we go to add 3 pages to 3. So you can just write here disclaimer. Then we can add privacy policy. Then can add terms and condition. Okay. So from here go to again menu settings, create a new menu. So you can just write here like footer 2. Okay, footer position, create menu. So for this terms, condition, privacy policy, disclaimer, drivers and cards, add to menu. Then we have cards first, then drivers, then privacy policy and terms conditions. Okay, save menu. Now publish again, refresh the page. Okay, so here we can just click here, we can choose main menu to footer 2. For now I can use same menu for all vertical position. Okay, and from here we can choose underline to our text and grow none. So I can just put here just click here, go to style, and here okay, color change to our white color. Okay, horizontal padding 0, vertical padding 0, space 0. So you can use here like 15. Okay, now here we can choose font weight like 500, font size 17 pixel or 15 pixel. Okay, fine. Now here go to, we can choose hover color. So you can choose primary. Yes. Now copy this one and paste here. Okay, so from here we need our this icon box. So search for icon box, just drag and drop here. Okay, so stack, style, left align, vertical and middle. So from here we can choose like our location, this copy from here, just click here, we can change icon to our map location. So just this one select and paste here, then cut this from here and paste. For now we can adjust our size. So this one like 30%, this size like 20%, and this size like 20%, then remain 30 we can adjust here. Okay, so click here, go to style, icon. So icon color we can choose to our as our secondary color. Icon size we can choose like 15 pixel. Okay, and here radius 7 pixel. So go to here our content. So from here we can choose here white color, hover color white, font size like 500. Okay, font size we can choose here 16, text transform uppercase. Okay, I think 15 is okay. And for now we can go to here, change color to white color, font size we can choose 600, and font size like 18 pixel. Okay, so from box we can choose icon spacing like 10, and this position 5, and from here content we can decrease more size. I think it's okay now. Duplicate 2 times, 3 times. From here we can just copy this line from here and click here and change icon to our font icon. So insert font icon, then full paste here, then cut this number from here and paste here. Then we have our email address. So copy from here and click here and search for envelope icon, then paste here and cut and paste here. Okay, now click here, go to style and change color to our white color, and I think our font size like 22 pixel, 24. Okay, so right click and copy style, paste style, paste style. Okay, fine. Now click here, go to style and element center and color change to white color. Okay, it's okay. Now click here, go to style and change custom color, and this color we can transparent color. Okay, fine. Size like 10 pixel and spacing like this one 10, increase more 14, and icon hover we can change color to our primary color. So here and here we can add a margin right like 30 pixel. Okay, 30 or 40. Okay, perfect. Now we have our last part, our copyright. So from here we can this check from here, and we can just test copy from here, and here we can just add a heading, change to our p tag and paste here, and change icon to and copy. From here we can section, go to style, change color to our this color secondary color. Okay, and from here advanced we can add padding like top 20, bottom 20 pixel. Just click here, go to style, element center, change color to white color. Okay, and here for font weight like 500. Okay, font size 15 pixel or 14, text transform capitalize. Okay, now click on publish. Okay, so for check this we go to our main home page. Okay, so our home page currently header footer look like this. So now start to make our home page. So make a home page, first we have to create edit page, then click on edit with Elementor. So from here we can choose to page layout Elementor full width. Okay, fine. So first we have to our this here section. So for this we can create a full flexbox raw base and go to style, and from here we can background type upload image. So we can search for our hero image. So our hero image will be like this one. Now click on select. Now go to here background position center, display size cover. From here background overlay, we can choose color to our like secondary color, okay, and opacity like 0.75. Then we need this text, so just copy this text from here, go to here, we can add a heading, change tag to span tag and paste here. Then we need this text, so copy this from here and duplicate this one and paste here, change tag to h1. Then we have our this text description, so from here we can add text editor and paste here, okay. Then we need this button, so for this we can add a button, that means we need a container. Actually we need two containers, so we can duplicate this, so from here we can add a button, so this button, duplicate this part and here. Then we need our image box, so search for image box, okay, then duplicate 2 times 3 times, okay. Now for content, book your car, so click here, just write here book your car, okay. And from icon we can choose to like arrow, like this one, okay. We can use this icon, I think is more better. Then we can just write here like get started, so just write here get started and change icon for, we can write here arrow, this icon, and position right side, okay. So then here we go to add all content, like first one choose the card, okay. So from here we can upload image, so we have all images uploaded, so we can search for hero 1 2 3, those 3 icon, okay. Hero icon 1, just update, then change our text, then we can just write here this one, okay, and paste here, okay, fine. Go to style, left align, vertical and middle, okay. And then we need our this one, so you can just copy from here, upload our second image hero icon 2, just paste here, then cut heading from here and paste here. Then we have this one, copy from here and click here, then icon 3, okay, and just paste our content and cut our heading part from here and paste here and this one, okay, fine. So go to advanced, we can full to padding top 120, padding bottom 120 pixel, okay. And here we can go to layout, we can choose vertical and center, that's great. Now click here, go to advanced, we go to background, so we can choose background color to our secondary color. Now padding, we can choose here like top 10, bottom 10, right 30, left 30. We can use our style part and change, not here, go to advanced and border, we can choose 9 pixel. Go to style and we can change to our color, which color, actually this will be our white color. So from here white color, okay. And from advanced we can go to here again background color, and color we can opacity something like this or more, okay. And here we can check here, I think something like this is okay, no problem. Now here click here, go to style, element center, change color to our white color, and here font weight like 800 or yes, I think 700 is okay. Font size like 60 pixel, okay. So after backend, so back, so we can add a break tag, okay. Now go to style and here we can choose here text transform capitalize and line height like 70 pixel, okay. I think is okay now. Now our this content part, go to style, element center, font size like 17 pixel, line height 26, okay, and change color to our white color, okay. I think is okay now. Now go to this part, here we can layout, direction row, justify content, center, okay, and advanced to padding 0. Okay, so first we have this one. So this click here, go to style. We can choose here background color to our primary color, okay, and text color change to our secondary color. Text transform we can change here to our capitalize, okay, sorry, capitalize, yes. And from here we go to padding, like top 15 pixel, bottom 15, right 40, left 40, and radius like 9 pixel, okay. And here font size we can choose like 15 pixel, 16. So copy this style from here and again paste style, but both are not same. So for this we can go to style and hover effect. We can choose here like color change to our secondary color, and color change to our primary color. So click here, go to style, and from here we can choose to color to our white color, and this color change to our secondary color, okay. And hover, we can change to this color to our primary color, okay, and text color to our secondary. Okay, fine. So this part is done now. Now here part, from here go to here this column direction this way, and here okay, fine. Now first one, this one. So from here go to advanced, we can add margin padding top 50 pixel, margin top 50 pixel, okay. So from here we can add a style container, go to border. So we can choose border solid, only border top 1 pixel. We can choose here secondary, and we can view transparent color and change here nothing visible, okay, maybe solid more, okay. This color is not here, but why problem? Okay, no problem, we can change it later. Just first we have to do this part. Go to style and icon position, we can write 5 pixel, content position like 10. Go to content, from here we can choose here this one, color change to our white color. Then here font weight, this one 22 pixel, okay, 24 is okay, I think. Then here content color change to white color, okay, and font size like 15 pixel, okay. So from here box we can choose here image position 0. Now here content, we can go to hover effect, same color change to white color. So copy style from here, paste style and paste style, okay. And here just click on publish, preview changes, okay, fine. So this part is perfectly okay now, I think, yes, okay. So here this part done. So after this we have this our about us section. So it will be like this, okay. So from here we can click on plus icon equal to column, go to advanced, and here padding like top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and here we can use this container to like 40%, okay, and this one to like 60%, okay. And here this one we can add a this one, go to style, background. So we can upload image for about image, okay. Then we can choose center and display size cover, and here we can add a container. We can add a like heading. So from here we can choose position bottom, okay. So since 2010, so just right here. So go to style, element center, okay, go to advanced, and here background we can change color to our white color, secondary color, okay, and padding like 25 pixel, I think is okay. And here we can add a border radius like 9 pixel, and here click here, go to style, change color to white color, and font size like 700 and font size like 40 pixel. Okay, and this container we go to style, border, then solid 1 pixel and color change to our border color. Okay, and radius 9 pixel. Okay, fine. Now click here, we need this one. So for now we can copy this from here and paste here. Then we have this heading, so copy this heading from here, change tag to like H4. Then we have this our description. So here we can add a text editor, so just drag and drop here. Okay, and now we need our this button part, so we need a container again. So this container, okay, and we can copy this button from here, paste, and we need again image box, search for image box and paste here. Okay, fine. So first here, go to here advanced, we don't here any background color, so here we can choose to this transparent. Okay, and this color we can choose color to our secondary color. Okay, and here go to advanced, and here border we can choose solid 1 pixel, and here we can choose like busy one, not busy one, I think we can choose here like busy 2. Okay, or simply we can use our border color. And from here layout we can choose left align. Okay, and go to advanced, margin left we can write 50 pixel. Okay, now here we have this text from here about us, so copy this text from here, just click here, go to content and change text. Now click here, go to style, and here we can choose our secondary color, and from here we can choose font size like 30 pixel or increase more like 45, 50, and line height now 60 pixel, 60 or 55 pixel, text transform capitalize. Okay, now here go to this way, we can choose this layout, and here upload files we can just write here like author. Okay, and from here we can just copy this from content from here, and we can change text to H4, just paste here and cut this description, and here go to style, left line, vertical line, middle, and here go to style. So image we can border type solid, we can 2 pixel border. Okay, and radius like few. Okay, now go to content box, we can here position like 10, content position like 0. Okay, now go to content here, and here we can choose the secondary, and here hover we can choose a secondary. Now here go to this way, font size like 18 pixel. Okay, fine, and here we can choose here font weight like 500 and font size 12 pixel, 12 or 14 pixel. Okay, I think it's okay now, and here we can go to advanced and remove all padding. Okay, and here we can text will be like view more, so just click here, change text to view more, and here we can from here dynamic text here from here, no problem, we show later how to you can do this. Okay, now click on publish and check here, software hero, our about part is done now. Then we have our services section, so we can start this part. So our same something like this. Okay, so from here we can block here plus icon, so we can choose this layout and go to style and change color to our busy one. Go to advanced and padding like top 80 pixel and bottom 80 pixel, and from section title I can full width 100% advanced, we can add margin bottom like 60 pixel. So from top we can again copy this style from here and paste. Then we need a heading like this one, so copy this line from here, another h1, actually it will be like h4, paste here. Then we have this text, so copy this line from here and plus icon, we can add text area, just paste here. Okay, so from this container we can use layout to align center. Okay, and from here advanced we can padding 0, and from here go to advanced, and here background color change to white color. Okay, this is, I think is perfect now. Yes, and text will be like our services. Okay, now this part, so go to style and change color to our secondary color, and font size like 30 pixel, 35 pixel or more. We can choose like 45 pixel. Okay, 45, text transform, capitalize. Okay, fine. And go to here icon box, so from here we can just add a container, and here we can search for icon box, and here button, so from here we can add a button. So here this text economic car rental, so just click here, change text to like car icon, so we can use this icon and this heading and this description. So paste here. Then we have our luxury car rental, something like diamond icon, so we can just copy this here and paste, then paste. Okay, again paste here, then paste, another duplicate this part. Okay, fine. So from here go to here this way, go to advanced, and from here this way go to style and change background color to white color. Okay, and then here border solid 1 pixel and change color to like border color. And from here we can go to advanced and padding like 15 pixel, 15 to 20 pixel I think. Okay, and go to here this icon, and here this container, go to style and hover effect, so border to border hover, so solid we can choose 1 pixel and change color to like primary color. Okay, and here radius 9 pixel and normal 9 pixel. So first this icon, go to our stack, and here go to style and this icon. Yes, so from here first will be like icon spacing like 5 pixel and content spacing like 5. Go to icon, and here change color to our secondary color, and from here size to like 25. Okay, and radius 9 and 20 pixel. Now go to our content part. So from here we can choose font size 22 pixel, 24. Okay, now here is fine, perfect. Now here change color to our secondary color, hover color change to our secondary color, and here I think space more content like 10 pixel. Go to content, here we can choose this is as a text color is perfect, and I think font size is perfect. We can choose like 17 pixel, 15, 16. So line height 25. So copy style and paste style, paste style and paste style, paste style and paste style. And from here container we just copy from here, paste style, again this paste style, then paste style, paste style and paste style. Now here our this button part, so button part we can just write here like read more, then click here, we can search for arrow or angle, long arrow. This one, position right. Okay, go to style, and here center, and here color change to our transparent color, then color change to our secondary color, then here font size weight to 500, text transform capitalize. Okay, fine. And here from here hover, we can change text color to our this color. Okay, so copy style, and here paste. So remove this part, then paste, remove this one, sorry, paste, then remove this, then paste, and remove this, then paste, remove this, and paste, remove this. Okay, so from here we can just here luxury car rental, so copy from here, just here, and paste, then this content. Okay, and change icon to like diamond icon, or which will be like something like diamond or award. Okay, we can inspect from here. Name icon, it's called with jam, this jam icon, so we can use this icon. Okay, now here we can this self driven, there's been key icon, so just click here and search for key icon, this one, insert, and change our heading, and here we can just copy this line from here and paste. Okay, now here we can this event car rental, this means our calendar, so just paste here calendar, this icon, paste here, copy from here and paste. Now corporate car rental, so from here we can just icon, we can search for briefcase, so insert this one and place here, and after cut and paste here. Then finally we have our local city rentals, this will be our map marker, so we can search for map icon, and here we can just paste here, just cut this line from here and paste, and this one. Okay, now click on publish. Now check preview. So after about section, our services section is perfectly done now. Yes, it's perfectly okay now, I think. Okay, so start our next part. So after services section, we will make our counter section. If you check out demo, so our demo will like this. So let's start. So if you have 4 columns, so click here, then 4 columns, then go to style, and here background type, we can choose our footer image, this one. Then go to our position center, display size, cover. Okay, and here color change to secondary color, go to advanced, and padding, top like 60 pixel and bottom 60 pixel. Okay, so here we have icon and counter. So for this we can search for icon, single icon only. Okay, then we can search for our counter, so just counter, drag and drop here, counter. Okay, so our first one, vehicle in fleet 500 plus, and cars icon, so change icon to our car icon, car, this one, and here we can just write here 500 plus, and change our title to this one. So here first our icon, go to style, first we can view stack, go to style and change not this one, secondary color to our secondary color. Okay, size like 20 pixel or 22, and radius like 9 pixel, 9. Okay, just click here, go to style, and here number, we can here font weight 600 is okay, font size increase like 35, title change color to our white color, and here our font weight like 500. Okay, so this is done. So from here counter, we can title gap 0. Okay, now copy this one, paste here, then paste, and then paste. So copy this part from here, and after this paste, then again paste and again paste. Okay, fine. So then our 15 plus location covered. So change icon to our location, this one, and here we can just write here 15 plus and location covered. Then we have customer rating 4.9. So just change icon to our star icon. Star, we can use this icon, and average rating 4.9. So we can just not use this and paste here. Then here support available. So for this we can use clock icon. Clock, we use this icon. So we have 24 hours. So 24, don't need plus, and here just support available and click publish. So check our changes. So our counter part is done now. So after this we have I think we can increase more size padding. So top 80 I think is better. Top 80 and bottom 80. Okay, then after this we have our this pricing plan, and is similar like our this part services. So we can just duplicate this part. Okay, and sorry, not this one. After this, yes, this part we can move to bottom. So first we have like this one pricing plan. So just copy this text from here, pricing plan. Then we have this our heading. So copy heading from here and just paste here. Then we have this text. So copy this line from here and click here and paste. Okay, then we have our pricing section like this. So we can don't need bottom those part. So I can just remove from here. Okay, and inside this I just remove this part. Remove this. Now for here first we need our icon image box. So search for image box. Okay, so for this we can just complete this part. Go to image, upload. So we have 3 images like price 1, 2, 3. So you can search for price icon 1, 2, 3. So just upload from here. So price icon 1. Okay, so go to style and left align, vertical align, middle, and text will be hourly rental plan. So copy this from here, from content, and change tag to H4. Okay, and paste this here. Then this one, so copy text from here and paste. Okay, fine. Now go to style part, and here image spacing like 50, content spacing we can like 3 pixel. So go to here content. So we can here everything I think okay, 22 pixel. Okay, this part done. Now here our secondary color and hover effect we change to our secondary color. Okay, I think 22 is okay. Yes. From here our description color is okay. So from here we can choose font size like 60 pixel or 15. Okay, line height 25. Okay, fine. So we can copy this part from here and paste here and paste. So our second image will be like price icon 2, third image price icon 3. Okay, then we can just copy full text from here and just paste here and paste. Then we have copied this line from here, paste here, and cut this description and paste here. So our this part done. Now we have this our we have background and this one. So for this we can add a container. So after this we can add container and go to style and background color change to our busy one, and here border radius we can like 9 pixel. Okay, and here go to advanced padding like 25 pixel. Okay, so first we have this price, so copy this line from here. So we can add a heading, change text to like spend, and paste here. Then we need a button, so button will be like this, just paste here. Text will be like get started now, copy this from here and paste here. Okay, so this part, go to style and change color to our secondary color, and font weight like 700, and font size we can increase more like 30 pixel. Click here and this will be here style. If we check here, yes, this is perfect. Go to style and change color to our not secondary, we can choose as our primary color, and change color to our secondary color. Okay, and font size like 16 pixel, and text transform like capitalize. Okay, or 17. So I think it's okay now, and I think it's no, I think it's perfect. So just copy this copy from here and paste, direct paste here, and then paste. Okay, so here 199 and 299. So just here change text to 199 and click here, we can change to 299. So this part done. Then after this we have features part. So for features we can search for icon list. So just here after this we can here, and this move to top. Okay, yes. So from so this here we can remove this part, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I guess copy all for work easier. So click here and just paste. So draw strip, okay, and drop, then cut from here full text. You can copy paste as your wish, no problem. I just make it easier. And then we have like sedan coverage. So after this full insert coverage sedan, full insert coverage, yes. Then cut from here. Then here I can paste here. Okay, then we have like pro. So from pro I can cut this from here. Then here just like pro. Okay, all fuel cost included. Okay, that's great. Now go to style part and spacer, I can just like 10, divider on, and here icon color, change color to our secondary color, decrease size like 10. Go to text, color is okay. From here font weight 500, transform capitalize. So now copy this part from here and paste. Sorry, okay, and now move to top. Okay, then paste here and this move to top. Okay, now we can change this text from here. Just copy from here, just click here and then paste as usual, and then this cut from here, then again paste. Okay, then here we can just paste here, then cut from here, then again paste. Okay, and here just paste here. Then our last item, this one, so just copy from here all, just click here and go to here and just paste this one. So after this, okay, then extended this, click from here, then this one. So here after this, then cut from here all, then here just paste, then cut from here all, then here paste here. Okay, and cut last line and paste here. So I think our this part done. Click on publish and preview changes. So our after services, then our counter and our pricing plan. So after this, our next session will be testimonials, and testimonials will like this. So let's start. So again, we can just repeat this part. So duplicate this from here. Okay, and here we can change our background color. We can change to our white color. Okay, and from here we can choose here like testimonials. Okay, so just click here, change text to testimonial, and from advanced we can go to our background, and from here we can change color to busy one. Okay, fine. Now our heading, we can copy this line from here, just click here and paste. Then we have this part, our description part. So copy this line from here and just paste here, and go to style and center. Okay, I think this font weight we can increase to 700. I think is more better. Yes, so just right click, copy, and here paste style, and here go to style, our element center, and here okay, this paste style. Okay, fine. So our testimonial we like this. So 3 column. So for this our price section, we can just remove this column again here, then remove this inner column and this inner column. So for this we can add again inner column, and here go to style, and here background type we can upload image. For testimonials we can use these 3 images. Basically we have 3 column. So first one we can select this one. Okay, maybe this one, our one. Okay, then here is okay. Yes, so from here we can choose position, center, display size, cover, and go to layout, and min height we can choose 500. Okay, and go to style, and here we can choose our background overlay, and here background color we can choose like secondary color. Okay, and here color opacity like something like this. Okay, or here 0.75. Okay, fine. And inside this add another container, and from this inner container we can choose layout to bottom. Okay, is go to bottom now. So from here we first did star rating. So search for star rating. So just this one. Then we have speech. So copy this text from here, and after this we can add text editor, paste here, then his name like David Lane. So copy from here and add a heading. After this change text to like H4 and paste here. So first one we can go to here this container, go to style, and here we can border radius like 15 pixel. Okay, and border solid we can choose 1 pixel and border. So from here we can this icon size like 15 and spacing like this 15. Color is okay. Now click here, go to style and change color to white color. Okay, and font size like 17 pixel or 16, and line height 25. And from this here go to style and change color to our white color, and font weight like 700, and font size like 22 pixel or 26 is okay. From here we can add opacity, again increase because you have a full color. Okay, full color I think is look better now. And here sorry, not opacity. Yes, now is okay now. And from here we can go to advanced and margin bottom like 30 pixel. Okay, so here we can just copy from here and paste and then paste. So from here we can go to style and change image to our second image in select. Then here our third image, go to style and change image to our third image. Okay, so I just copy her speech. So from here just click here, just paste. Okay, fine. Then her name basic copper. So just click here and change name. Then this speech, so copy from here, just click here and paste. Okay, and his name John Doe. So copy his name and paste here. Okay, click on publish, preview changes. So after price table, then we have done our testimonials. So after this we'll make our feature section, so like this. So basically we have two columns. Okay, sorry, not code, go to here, and then here we can just click here plus icon and two column. So it's similar to our counter section, so you can just copy style from here, so it make our work easier. So just here paste style. Okay, that's great. And here this part like our section title, so I just copy from here, paste. Then we have this title, paste. Then this description, copy and paste. Okay, so here we have just write this our features, so copy this from here, our features. So from here just click change to features, and from here go to advanced and background. So from here color, we can decrease our opacity something like this. Okay, and change color, change to white color. Okay, and this one we can from layout we can select alignment, left alignment, and here this text, so we can just copy this line from here, click here and change text. Then we have this description, so copy this line from here and paste here. Okay, fine. So from here go to style, change color to our white color. Okay, font size weight like 600. Okay, and font size decrease like 30 pixel, and from here we can choose after services we can add a break tag. Okay, fine, and go to here line height like 40 pixel. Then click here, go to style, alignment left, change color to white color. Okay, so inside this we have these three columns, so we can add a container. So this container size change to 31%. So we have 6 column, 3, then 4, 5 and 6. So we have parent, we can change direction to this one, and flex wrap. Okay, maybe we can 31 or 30%, I think. Yes, 30% is perfect. Or this one 31. So we can change to 30%, I think it's perfect. So copy and paste style, paste style, paste style, and paste style, and paste style. So for this basically we need our image box, so search for our image box. So drag and drop here, and from here we can decrease size to like 40%, and this one parent change to like 60%, and from here go to advanced, and from margin left like 30 pixel. Okay, so from this image we don't need any description, only heading need, and here change to take h4. Okay, so for image, so upload and select image. So maybe we have feature image, this one 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So open file. So we have our first image, this one, select, then text change to this one, so copy this color, so text, and paste here, and from here we can just pick our color. So color will be like this one. So go to this one, go to advanced, and here background, then color change to this color. Okay, from layout change padding to 15 pixel. Okay, fine. After this we can go to here this one, go to style, change content, and here font size like we can choose to like 18 pixel I think, and here 27 pixel. And from box we can here image position like spacing 0, content spacing 0. Okay, that's great. And from content we can change color to our white color, and from here hover, same change to our white color. And here advanced we can add a border radius from border like 15 pixel. Okay, so just copy from here, paste, then again copy, then paste, 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 and paste. So from here we can choose Elementor center. Okay, perfect. So this image, our feature 2, select, then we have our feature 3, then we have our feature 4, then we have our feature 5, and finally we have feature 6. Okay, and here we can just copy this text from here, just paste. Okay, then we have this, copy this from here and paste here. Okay, then we have flexible random plans, copy from here, then paste, then this copy from here. So change our text, and finally this one, copy from here and paste here. Okay, so I think, and from the parent we can remove all extra padding, so you have more space. And here we can just here from layout all gap 0, so this 0, that's perfect. Okay, now click on publish. So preview our changes. So after our testimonial part, this part is done now. So our next section will be our our FAQ section, and like this. Okay, so for FAQ, go to here again, plus icon, we can choose this this one. So go to advanced, and from padding top 80 pixel and bottom 80 pixel. Okay, and this column change to like 40%, and this one change to like 60%. So from here I can just copy this heading from here, just paste, then this heading, copy from here, again paste, then this description, copy from here and paste. Okay, so change our text, so it will frequently ask questions, so copy from line from here, and this one paste from here, and this container, then we can change left alignment. Okay, so from here get answers to your questions. Okay, just click here, just paste, then we have this description, copy from here and then paste, alignment, left alignment. Then we need this text, so copy from here. So we search for icon list, so just drag and drop here, so all icon remain same, so I just repeat this 2 3. So just paste this one, then here we can just copy this from here, copy, and after this we can just paste here, then finally this one, copy and paste here. Sorry, this not copy, yes, again paste. Now go to style, separator like 15, divider on, that's perfect, and here width like 100%, default to full width 100%, yes. So this part, so right side we need a FAQ, that's mean accordion, so search for accordion. We can search for accordion, so just drag and drop here, and here we can remove this part, and here inside we can add a text editor. Then here we can just here so copy text from here. So first item we can change this text to this one, and copy this description from here, and paste here. Okay, so basically we have our 5 items, so we can repeat 2, 3, 4, 5. So item positions left side and icon right side, and here we can choose here like justify, not this here, this one, yes. So I just copy all heading. So then we have next item, this one, then our third item, so here copy and paste here. Then we have this one, copy from here and paste, and finally copy this from here, copy, and after this we can paste here. So here position is collapse, yes, fine. Interaction is okay, fast expanded, okay, done. Okay, and here expand this part, okay. Now go to style, space between, so we can space between like 15 pixel. So normal background type not it, we go to header. So from header we can choose primary font, and from here we can choose text transform capitalize, okay, that's great. Now here normal active color, normal active color, primary color, sorry, normal color will be our secondary and active color will be like our primary color. Okay, fine, and go to this part, go to style, I think it's okay. So all this part is done now. So we have our add this section now. Okay, perfect. Now we have our last section for this home page. This is our block section. So for this block we have to use loop grid. So for this we can use actually this section. So copy from here and just paste. Okay, and from here we can change color to our busy one, and from here this change color to white color. From background change color to our white color. Okay, so this text will be like our latest block. So copy from here and just click here and change content to this one. Then we have the inside this one, so copy this heading from here and click here, change text, and this description, so copy from here and click here and paste. Okay, so I can just remove this part and remove this part. From here we don't need inner column, so as a parent we can wait 100%. Okay, so we have to create this loop builder, and first we have to add our all posts. So for this go to our post, to our first categories. So we have like selection, so copy this one, selection. Then we have our destinations, and finally comparison. Okay, so now we have like our first post, so copy this line from here. So 1, 2, 3. So we can add all posts from now, this one, and here we have our desk like this one, our excerpt. So copy this excerpt from here and feature image. So we can select image. So our 3 block 1, 2, 3, post 1, 2, 3. Actually here 3, I just create 4, 5, 6 because later we need. So for now we can just create 2, 3 version from now. Okay, so first one, okay, and select our category like selection for example, and just click on publish. Then we have this one, copy this from here, and this we can copy excerpt from here, feature image, and post to, and excerpt, paste here, and we can choose this like our destination, click on publish. Okay, then we have this one, copy this from here, and here we can just copy excerpt. So from here we can choose our third image, select, and here we can add exert, and here we can like our comparison. Okay, fine. Now go to our Elementor, to our theme builder. So here we have our loop item. Click on add new, and our design looks like this, background white and this way. Okay, fine. So here go to here our page. So name this like post single, status publish, preview settings. We can choose post is okay, and which post we can select. So we can select like self drive. So here we can search for self drive. This one query, yes, that's perfect. Okay, so everything okay. Just click on apply and preview. So click on plus icon. From flexbox we can this column, and here anything, yes, we need a border. So here go to style and border. We can choose 1 pixel solid, 1 pixel, and change color to border color, and when hover change solid 1 pixel our primary color. Okay, then we need our featured image. Okay, then we need our categories. So for this we can add a heading and change from here. We can post terms and change tag to like categories. Okay, and change tag to like span tag. Okay, then we need our post info. So only we need our name and comments. So here time and date remain, and here then we have our excerpt part. So from here we can search for post excerpt, and finally we need our button, post excerpt. Again refresh the page, maybe this post excerpt missing. If you check our all post, this post self is one. Oh sorry, this missing. So here we can again copy this excerpt from here, and from here we can just add an excerpt and category, yes, okay. Just click on save. Now again refresh the page. Okay, it's done now. Now we need our post title, and change tag to like h4. Okay, then we need a button. So from here button we can this one. So from here linkable we can change link to post URL, and button we can change URL to post URL. Okay, that's perfect. And here admin, but here show my full name. So for this I can remove this part and publish here. So go to settings to users, to all users. Click edit. So from here I can here my first name like Abdullah and last name Nahian, and display name is Abdullah Nahian. That's perfect. Now click on update profile. So if you refresh the page now, okay, now it show my full name. That's perfect. Okay, now this part go to advanced, and here we can choose here background. So background color change to like our primary color, and change color to our white color. Okay, sorry, white not, we can change to our primary color, secondary color actually, sorry. And this here we can primary, that's perfect. Go to here padding like 10 pixel, and here from here position absolute. Okay, then we can right here adjust to our image, and here we can top to bottom, and here padding. So right like 30 pixel and left 30 pixel. So the right 30, left 30, and top to 5, bottom to 5. Okay, I think it's okay now. Now click here, go to here and style center, divider on, and spacing like increase more 30. Okay, it's okay now. Just click on this one, go to style and change color to our secondary color, and hover color change to our primary color, and font size like 30 pixel or 26, 25 is 24. Okay, and 35 or 30, and this okay, and click here and change to text to like read more. Okay, and here icon we can change for long arrow, so this icon. Okay, insert and position right, go to style and change color to transparent color. Okay, and change this color to our secondary color. Font weight to text also to capitalize, and from here we can all padding 0. Okay, and from here hover we can change color to our primary color. Okay, fine, and here I think is okay, and here go to here advanced, we can choose padding 0. Okay, so top 10, right 10, bottom 30, left 10. Okay, that's perfect. Click on publish. Now here refresh the page. So here we can use our loop grid. So at the bottom, so here this need to load time. So here we can search for loop grid. So we can just search for loop grid, drag and drop here. Then from here post, yes, and we can search for post. Actually this maybe we give it wrong name. Actually it will be our post grid. Actually not single, best name will be post grid is best. Okay, I think it's okay now. That's perfect. And here we can post per item 3 equal height, yes. Okay, now click on publish and preview the changes. Okay, so our home page is done now. So from next we start our card page. So now we have to start our main page, which is will be our cards. So here cards, we have a breadcrumb part, then we have this part all cards, and if you click on view details, so it show details product about card. Okay, so let's start. So we can start by start. So from here we can just click publish. Okay, then go to here our cards page, click on edit page. Okay, click on edit with Elementor. So from here we can go to page settings. We can go to here page layout to Elementor full width, and here this portion is need for every pages. So for this, so we go to here like here plus icon flashbox, this one, then go to style, and from here image we can choose here upload files. So here we have an image like breadcrumb image, so this one breadcrumb. So select this image, go to here position center, display size cover. So go to here background overlay. So from here we can choose our secondary color and opacity like 0.85. Okay, and from go to advanced, and padding like top 60 and 60, bottom 60. So from here we can add a heading part, change text to like H4. Okay, and from here we can choose like post title, that's mean page title. Then we can need our icon list. So icon list, drag and drop here. So this style change to center, then change color to white color, and here we can choose 40 pixel. Okay, 45 pixel, 45 or 45, yes, something like this. Click here, go to style, and here center, and here inline. So first item we can choose like home and link to our home page. So site URL, site title, and here post title, site URL. Why is site URL? Site title, post title, short code. Sorry, not this here, actually this here, sorry, site URL, not this icon. After this we can remove text, and here we can just write here dots, dot, we can use this icon, okay, and here we can just again write here page title, okay, and remove icon. So go to style, and here divider on, no, sorry, not divider need, icon, we can change color to our like BG2 color, okay. From here text we can change color to white color, okay, fine. And here anything, okay, yes, fine. And go to here, we can choose font weight like 500 and font size like 17 pixel, 70 is okay. I think this is perfect. Now click on publish. Now we can just save as template, because we need this breadcrumb several times. So just write here breadcrumb, this one, okay, that's great. Now we have this part. So for this we need a loop builder. So before start we have to make our car CPT. There's been custom post type where admin can add all car as their. So go to ACF, then here post type. So we can just write here add new. We can just write here like our cars, okay. Then we can singular, so we can just write here like our car, and automatic generated, not actually needed. And from advanced configuration, title need, editor don't need, feature image, custom field, yes, that's enough. Click on save changes. So you have our cars, this menu. So if you click on all cars, so currently not. If you click on add new, so we have just title and feature image. But if you check our single car, then we need more custom fields. So like price, then here description, then gallery, etc. So for this we go to here like ACF to our field groups, add new, and just like here our cars, and here we can choose here like post type is equal to our car, okay. You save changes, and here if you refresh the add new car, here new option added. So here lot of options, so you can separate by tab. So one general, then one can like we have like features, this part, and one part gallery, okay, features, okay. So from here we can just here edit this part. So we can rename this tab, okay, name like car general. So car general, so we need actually first description, so text area, so car description, okay, and here auto generated, then car description and car price is we can as general price, so car price, okay, fine. So after this we can car features and car price we can done. Then we can this as this portion and this portion, okay, we can move this portion as car features and this portion cars information, okay, and another one gallery, okay, fine. So another tab we can just rename this tab, so like car info, okay, fine. So for car info, here is like how many doors, passengers, luggage, seat field. So from here, okay, so text. So here we can just like doors, the like car doors, okay. Then here passengers is text, okay, car passengers, okay. Then we can just luggage, car luggage. Then we have like transmission, auto or manual. So from here like car luggage transmission, sorry. Then air condition, yes or no, car air condition. Then car age. Okay, so car age. So if you just save the part and check our add new field. Okay, so car general like this one, car price, car info like this. So if you think here is more size, we can size reduce like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So for this very easily, so you can just here camel case general. So for this car info, car doors. So here we can go to our presentation and here size, yes, just 33%. Then passengers. So here we can go to here presentation and size like 33%. Then we have car luggage. So go to here presentation and size with like 33%. Then we have like car transmissions. So from presentation we can choose here like 33%. Then we have like car air condition. So from presentation we can choose here like 33%. And here car age. So presentation we can choose here car 33%, save changes. So if you refresh the add new car. Okay, so car info, yes, is nicely short and very user friendly now. Okay, so car general, car info done now. Then after this we have car features 4 and 5 field and car gallery. So for this we can add another column like tab, like car features. Okay, car features. So we have basically 9 fields, so we can add one by one, like car top speed. As counter we can use as number. So from here we can just like add number and car top speed. Okay, this one. Okay, and here we can choose here presentation like 33%. Okay, so we have like 4 and 5, total 9. So we can duplicate this part, duplicate here and change text to like miles driven. So here we can just here paste, and very important, field name must be unique. So just remove this, click here, again click, so it will be updated. So after this we have like this car successful trips. So from here we can duplicate this part and just paste here. Okay, and remove this part, click here, again click, it will be updated. Then we have like successful trips. So just here just add field, then here remove. We can duplicate this part and just paste here, just remove this part and remove and paste here. Because Elementor Pro repeater is very difficult without coding, so I show you this way. Okay, successful trips actually is maybe multiple. So our speed driven successful trips, and maybe this one miles driven. What we can name this, something like successful ratings. Yes, we can rename this like ratings, successful ratings. Okay, it will be perfect. Okay, now here we have like car engine performance. So from here we can just duplicate this part and remove this part from here, then duplicate cabin comfort, just paste here and remove this part. Then we have our safety rating, so copy from here, duplicate, then remove this part and click here and paste. Then we have a fuel efficiency, then here duplicate, paste here and remove this part and again paste here. Then we have tag integration. Then here paste here and remove this part and click here and click here. So our this part is done now. Click save changes. So if you refresh the page, so car features, yes, is perfectly all number now. Total 549 items. So now our last field, which is our car gallery. So add field. So we can add a tab. So we can just name like car gallery and car gallery. Okay. Then again we can just write here text, search for gallery, car gallery items. Okay, now click on save changes. Refresh the page. So our car gallery is done now. So all field added done. Now we have this part. Okay, so I just click on view details. Okay, so we can if you get all cards 2 3 4 5 6. So our first card name is like this, for example this one. So here we can here remove this part, our cards this one. So from here we can go to our refresh the page, all cards. So we need 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first item like this one, Porsche. Then upload image. So I just use a dummy image, so not maybe match, no problem, that's all. 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so upload all. So this will be our first image, feature image. Then description. So from here I just this description from here. So for description, so our this card. Okay, I not this one for now. Okay, description. So car price like $300. Then car info for door 5, for example, passenger 4, luggage 2, transmission auto, and car condition, yes, age like 3 years. Okay, then car features like top speed. So from here we can copy from here, like top speed like 67. I just use for dummy purpose 67. Car miles driven like 75 plus, like 75. Then successful trips 55 plus. Then rating, then here rating, how can use this like 96. So from here we can just write here 96. Car engine performance, all are as percentage, so we can use random number. So from here performance like 87%, comfort for 92%, safety rating like 88, fuel efficiency like 678, tech integration like 95. Okay, and for gallery, for now I use all car image for now. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So all car uses a single car. Now click on publish. Okay, so our one car is done. For next car like Audi A18, Audi A8. Okay, so for here this, remove this part and copy this description from here. Description price like 450 per day, for example, car info, door like 4, passenger 6, car luggage 2, transmission auto, yes, and car is like 4 years. Feature image we can use car 2. Okay, and car features, car speed like 89, miles driven like 78, successful trips like 90, tips rating like 99%, car engine like 78, car cabin comfort like 98, and here we can choose here 79. Just use random number for work easier. And for gallery I can use here random few images. So click select and here click on publish. Okay, now after then Ford Mustang. So from here then Ford Mustang we can copy description from here. Okay, just paste here like 250 per day. And car info like doors 4, passengers 4, luggage 1, transmission like manual, air condition like no, car is 2 years. And for feature image I can use like car. So set feature image, and here car features like top speed 80 pixel, car smart driving like 90, successful trees like 78, car success rating like 96, engine performance like 90%, here like 96, success rating like 89, efficiency like 80, and tech integration like 78. Now car gallery we can here few images 1 2 3 4. Okay, now click on publish. Then after this here we can forward, then master Elementor, just paste here, then we can just copy description from here, and he's like $180 per day. Car info like $2 doors, 2 year, 1 luggage, car transmission manual, yes, car is like 1 year. And here we can use like 4th image, 4th, yes. Then we have car features, top speed like 120, miles driven like 1000, successful trips like 89, rating like 89%, car engine like 89, driven like 78. Here we can write like 85, then we are 87, and here we can write 94. All are dummy purpose, just check our is working or not. So for gallery we can use here few images 3 4, select and click publish. Okay, so remove this part. Then after this we have like BMW 7 series, so copy this from here, paste here, and just here we can just copy this from here and paste. Then this will be like 270 per day. Car info, doors like 6, like here passenger 12, luggage like 4, transmission like auto, air condition yes, car is like 7 years. And here we can choose like 5 this image. Car features, top speed like 99, 87, 90. I just use random number for post here. And here, okay, for gallery, so click on publish. So this part is done. Our last card, so last card will be Mercedes, this one. So copy this from here and paste here. And now card description, so copy from here and paste. Then car price like 400 per day. So car info we can like 4 doors, 6 passenger, 2 luggage, auto, then will be like yes, car is like 6 years. Feature image we can choose here this car num 6. So car features, top speed like 89, here like 90, here like 87, like 67, like 89, like 99. Safety rating like 89%, here 79%, and here 94%. So for gallery we can choose here add to gallery 1 2 3 4. Okay, for example, now click on publish. So we have add our all cards now. So if we check our this part, so all cards are done. So we have to now make layout like this. So for this we can go to theme builder. So from theme builder we can just click here like loop item, add new. So from here no templates need. So from here page settings we can just write here like car grid. Okay, fine. Post published. Preview settings we can choose to like our car. Okay, and for here we can Porsche for dummy for here checking. Query we can choose here post, that's perfect. And preview settings apply and preview. So if you check our site, so we have to like this one. Okay, so plus icon we have this one. So from here we cannot add any padding, so remove this all padding. Go to here style, from here border radius we can choose like 25 pixel. So from here go to style and background, and here we can choose our dynamic background. So from here we can choose ACF image field and click here and select sorry, not this field, actually we have dynamic featured images. So we have featured image, okay, position, center, display size, cover. Okay, now then we need like this. So here we can add a container. Okay, and from here we can here layout, position, bottom. Okay, so from here we can choose this layout to our mean height, sorry, 500. Okay, and from here we can choose here like bottom. Okay, now this part, and from here go to style. We need a background overlay, so from here we can choose secondary color and opacity like 0.3, 0.3 or 0.7, 0.6 is okay. Okay, for now. Now we have this heading. So for now we can add a post title, change text to like h4. Okay, and here text to like post URL. Then we have like, sorry, this one. So another heading, so we can just search for another heading, and this will be like h5. And here we can choose text to like our ACF field, and from here we can select like ACF field, card price. Okay, and here dollar and per day. So for this we can here advanced, before we can add $sign and after space per day. Okay, so per day, and here after this we have a this icon list. So search for icon list. So copy from here, after this paste here, sorry, this here, this way. So here go to inline, and from first item like dots, sorry, how can do, sorry, 4 dots. Okay, so from here we can just click here, here we can choose ACF field, click here, and card dots. Okay, and from here before, sorry, after we can write dots. Okay, so door show here, and change our icon to door icon. So this icon, then we have like this here passengers. So after this we can change here like users icon, this icon, and here change text to like ACF field. Then here we can choose here car passengers. Okay, and advanced, after we can just write here passengers. Okay, and you can remove this word. And after this we need a button. So for this we can add a button. So drag and drop here. Okay, so from here we go to advanced, padding like top right 20, bottom 30, left 20. Okay, so just click here, go to style, change color to white color, and here we can font weight like 700. Okay, font size like something like 22 pixel, and here click here, go to style, change color to white color, typography we can choose like 700, font size increase more 35, and click here, go to style, and spacing we can add more like 15 to 20. Icon color I think is icon color to change to white color, and here text color we can change color to white color, and here font weight like 500 I think is okay. Now here this button like view details button, and here we can add an icon I think is look more better. So long arrow, this icon, go to insert. Okay, right position, go to style, and change color to our secondary color. From text transform we can choose to as our uppercase capitalize. Okay, then here margin top like 30 pixel. Okay, that's great. Now go to style and change hover effect, so our color change to our primary color, and then test color to our secondary color. Okay, now click on publish. So here go to our cards page, cards. So edit with Elementor. And here we can search for our loop grid. So loop grid, just drag and drop here. Go to advanced and add padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and click here. We can loop grid content. We can search for post, and here like car grid. So search for car grid. 6 item, okay, equal, sorry, not necessary, equal height, that's perfect. From query, we can select here our cards. Okay, that's perfect, I think. Okay, now here we can order by every refresh random, so all car is visible every refreshment. So click on publish, preview changes. Okay, so our cards part is done now. So our next part is when click on single view details button, what happened now? So I can remove this part. So click our Porsche. So maybe car rental. Oh, sorry, we maybe forget to link this one. So go to here. We have this one, our header footer, car grid. Car grid. Edit. Okay, so from button we can link to our post URL. Okay, publish, refresh the page. Now our Porsche, so here Porsche, just click on view details. So currently look like this, but it is very gorgeous. So for this, again go to theme builder. Now here just click on add new, single post, just click add new. So from here page settings, we can rename this like car single. Then here status to publish preview settings, we can change here like our car, and which is like Porsche. This one, apply and preview. So first we need our breadcrumb. So from go to templates. So already we have a template for breadcrumb. So just click on insert. Okay, publish. So here add condition. So all singular, not, it will be all car, our car space. Okay, so save and close. Just refresh the page again. Okay, that's perfect. So our layout looks like and full body background here. And from here go to our page, page settings, style, margin, background type. So here we can choose to our color, to our busy one. So this layout. So from here we can use this one. Go to advanced, padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel. So we can first, we have our this part. So here we can add a inside an inner container for our background color. So here we can go to style and change background color to, and here padding 25 pixel. Okay, fine. And border radius 25 pixel. Now we have this heading. So from here we can add a heading part here, H4 tag, alignment center, and from here content we can choose like ACF field, and from here we can just write here car price. From advanced, before we can add $sign, and after per day. Okay, and here we can add a go to style and change color to secondary color, and font weight like 700, and font size like 40 pixel, 40 not 30 and go to advanced, and here border we can solid border bottom only 1 pixel and change color to our border color. And from layout, from padding we can just write 30 pixel, 15 pixel. Okay, now here we need our icon box, so search for our icon box. So icon will be stack, style will be left aligned, vertical and middle. Then we have doors, first one. So for this here go to content, and here we can search for icon, door icon, door. So here go to here, change tag to like ACF field, click here, change tag to like car doors. Okay, and here just write here doors. Go to style, and here position like 10, 3, and go to icon and color change to like secondary color, and size like 15 pixel and radius like 9 pixel. Okay, and from here content we can change color to font weight to like 700. Okay, then color change to our secondary color, and hover color change to our secondary color. Then here we can choose font size like increase more, 18 pixel. Okay, and from here we can remove this part, sorry, 0. Okay, now here, okay, so from here we can add a border for it. I think it look nice more now. So here border we can solid 1 pixel, we can choose here like busy one, it's visible. Actually it's not visible, so for now we can use our main border color. Okay, from layout we can choose 15 pixel, so its layout is look nice now. Okay, 15 to 10 pixel I think. Okay, and here go to style tag, and here advanced, from here border radius like 9 pixel. Okay, so duplicate this part, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we have our passengers. So click here, change icon to users icon. Then here just write here passengers and change our tag to passengers. Okay, 4 passengers. Then luggage, it will be fully dynamic now. For here luggage we can search for briefcase type, this one. Okay, and this one luggage, and change tag to car luggage. Then we have transmissions, so copy this here. Okay, so here just click here, change tag like car. Here we can use this car. Okay, then from here we can choose here transmissions. Then here we can just air conditions, and one basically 2, 3, 6 items actually. Okay, so here you can search for air, something like this, air. Okay, just paste here air condition, and this will be like air condition. Okay, and duplicate this part, car is, this means calendar. Search for calendar icon. Calendar we can this icon, click here, and here we can choose here car is. I think it's too large. I can decrease heading size actually, like this one. I think 24 is okay, and here descriptions. Okay, so copy style and paste style, then paste style, again paste style, paste style, and paste style, and paste style. Okay, then we have our gallery part. So for this, after this we can add a heading. Okay, change tag to like h4. Okay, just name here like gallery. From here we can font weight, okay, 24 pixel, 26. Then change color to our secondary color, and from margin top we can use like 30 pixel. Okay, we can duplicate this part. Okay, so here we can search for gallery, basic gallery, drag and drop here. Okay, so from here we can choose ACF gallery field, then again click here, which field, car gallery items. Okay, it showcase now, it will be like full. Now here two columns. Okay, and then here light box, yes, order by random. Go to style, we can choose custom. Okay, solid, we can choose like 3 pixel, and here we can choose here like secondary color, border radius 9 pixel. That's perfect. Now here we need our booking form. Okay, so just copy from here and paste this one. So search for form, so just drag and drop this form here. Okay, so first we have like our name, email, phone, pickup date, return date, message, book now. Okay, great. So name, phone, then we have like tell, that's been our phone number, and here this phone. Okay, and then we have like this will be our pickup date, so just date, change to like pickup date and paste here, and here column width to like 50%. Then here we can just write here return date. Return date and paste here return date. Okay, and message, perfect. For message here column like 2 pixel, 2 size 3, yes. Now go to style, column gap we can increase like 15, label spacing like 5 to 8, like 8 is okay. Now here we can go to field. So from field, our border color change to our main border color. Okay, it's look nice now, I think. Now go to buttons. So from here button color. Okay, so our background color will be our primary color, and text color will be our secondary color, and hover effect we can change to background color to our primary, secondary, and to primary. Okay, so our this part is done now. So at the right side for now, so we can just copy style from here and paste. Okay, because we don't need those part, I can remove this part. Okay, fine. So actually we need a inner container. Okay, so just paste style. Okay, that's great. Now here we need our featured image. So for this we can just click here and our featured image. Okay, then we need our post title. Then we need our text area. So from text area we can choose here dynamic text, to here ACF field, and from here we can choose here like our car luggage transmission, car description, yes. Okay, then we need this counter box. So for this we can here like icon number. So for this we can add another container. Inside this need another container. So here we can search for like 48%. Okay, duplicate 2, 3, 4. So at the parent we can choose here direction this one and wrap. Now here we can here icon, search for icon. So just paste here icon. Okay, then it will be a stack. Then we have our counter. So search for counter. So just counter, drag and drop here. Okay, so this way, and here go to style, border solid 1 pixel. We can choose to like our border color, radius like 9 pixel. So here copy style and paste this style, then paste this style and paste this style. So our icon, go to here style and change color to our text color, or here font size 18 pixel and radius like 9 pixel. So here click on number, go to style tag, title gap 0. Okay, number we can here font size like 22 pixel, 40 pixel, font weight 700. Then here title, click here font size like 20 pixel. Okay, now here copy this icon, paste here, then paste, then paste, then here copy this here and paste here, then paste and again paste. Okay, so first we have top speed and icon will be like gasoline. So here icon change like here gasoline or gas station type. Yes. So from here number, so from number we have this number. So content, start from, we can go to here ACF number field, click here and fill top speed. Okay, and change tag to this one. So this will be dynamic now. Then we have miles driven, road icon. So click icon here. So search for road icon, this icon, and here click here content ACF field, then click here and change to like miles driven and change text. Okay, and here will be kilometer hour. So for this just click here suffix like kilometer hour. Okay, and this will be plus icon. This will be like our plus, suffix will be our plus icon. Then we have like successful trips actually, calendar. So just click here calendar icon, just paste here, then click here, we can just here we can go to number fields and here we can choose for here successful trips, advanced. Also here not need, just here prefix like plus. Finally successful trips icon is okay. So from here we can choose here our successful rating actually. Yes, and here as a percentage. So here go to style and here actually our number color, change color to our secondary color. Yes, and font size I think 35 is 35, 30 is okay. Yes, so copy style and paste style, paste style and paste style, and here parent we can remove all padding. Okay, and from here layout no extra spacing, so we can add custom like 15. Okay, fine. Now click on publish, refresh the page. So our this part is done. Okay, so here I can just here go to style image with 100% and here border solid 1 pixel and change color to our border color, radius like 9 pixel. Okay, and here go to style, we can change color to our secondary color and hover color our secondary color, and here font weight like 700 and font size like 30 pixel. Okay, this is perfect. Now here we have this part our section. So here we can add another container and copy style from here. Okay, so from here we can just here progress bar. Okay, so from here we don't need this speed, and here we have to go to here percentage. Okay, we can remove this part and go to style part. From here height we can height increase like 40, 35, and here inner text we can choose to as primary. Then here color change to our secondary and font size like here increase more 14 pixel. Okay, that's perfect. And here radius we can increase more like 15 pixel. Okay, now we can duplicate the 2 times, 3 times, 4 and 5. Now first we have this color. So from here, engineering performance. Okay, so first one, click here and go to content, just change text, and here percentage, go to number field, click here, and from here we can choose here, like here, engineering engine performance. So just click here. Yes, it's dynamic now. Now we have cabin comfort. Now click here, paste here, and ACF field we can click here, change to our engine, sorry, not engine performance, cabin comfort. Then we have safety ratings. So copy this line from here, click here, paste, and then here ACF number field. So click from here and change to like safety rating. Then we have fuel efficiency. So copy from here, just click here, just paste, and from here number field and click here, fuel efficiency, and finally tech integration. So click here and here ACF field, and here click here and tech integrations, and here paste. Now here I think it's perfectly okay now, everything. Just click on publish. So click on our single Porsche car. So yes, this is perfectly fully dynamic now. And okay, and here go to here cards. So if you open various pages, so all are dynamic with their individual content. Yes, that's perfectly nice. Then if it's Porsche already done, then Ford, yes, check this part. Then we have Mercedes, yes, this part done. Then we have our BMW series, this part also done. Then we have this part done. Then this part done, Porsche done. Okay, so our car part is done. So next we start our actually our driver session. When click on drivers, all driver information like this will make it. So now we'll make our driver page. So if you click our drivers, so here is nothing now. So here if you check our demo site, so here driver image, their name, designation, and profile. If you click on single view page, and you can check their name, designation, etc. Okay, so let's start for this. Okay, so for this first we have to create a custom post. So we can custom post type like our drivers. So you can just write here like our drivers. Okay, then we have single our drivers, our driver, then post type this one. Okay, and from advanced we don't need editor. Okay, that's perfect. Click on save changes. So after this we have a new option like our drivers. So if we click on our drivers, so here is nothing new. So add new driver. So here currently we don't have, so which option need? So here we need feature image, already have short description. Okay, then we have skills, then we have like info. Okay, and here form. So we can use actually a single column, I think is okay. So from here go to here ACF to our field groups. So from here we can write here like our drivers, okay, and here post type is equal to our driver, save changes. So first here like driver description. So from here we can just write here driver description. Okay, fine. Then after this we need driver description like contact info. So from here we can just write here driver info, driver phone number. Okay, so from here we can just here driver phone number. Okay, and here, so from here we can here go to presentation. We can here like 30 25%, I think. If we just save changes, first we have to check how it look like. Driver phone number, yes, that's perfect. Now we can duplicate this part. So then we have driver email address. Then here we can just here text. Okay, driver email address. Then duplicate this part. Driver our location. Driver our location. and here change our field name. This is very important. Okay, maybe here driver phone number, here is not underscore. Then here our address, actually if it is space that will create another underscore. Then here we have location, so here location not need this. Okay, so remove this part, location. Then we have our experience, so from here we can duplicate this part and here just write here driver experience and click here, again it's done. Okay, so then we have our driver skills. Okay, so from here driver successful trips, that means skills. So from here driver successful trips. So this will be like, we can wait like 33% and fill like number. Okay, then we have driver immediate availability. So copy from here and duplicate this part and here paste here, then remove this part and click here availability. Okay, then we have driver user satisfaction. So copy from here, duplicate this part and here this part, remove this one, click here, again click. Okay, fine. Then here driver support reach. Then here duplicate this part and here paste here and here remove this part, click here, again click here. Okay, fine. Then we have finally our fleet maintenance. So from here we can duplicate this part and here paste here and remove this part, click here, again click here. Okay, now click on save changes. Now refresh the page. So our all fields are done. Okay, I think is everything. Okay, now we have our basically 6 drivers, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so from here go to refresh the page. So here our drivers, so we can 6 step 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first we have this one, Ethan Collins. So here I just feature image, so upload image, upload files. So I have team member 1 2 3 4 5 6. So just click here. So our first driver will be this one, then name Ethan Collins, and if you click here like view profile, for example personal info, so copy from here description, then his designation, maybe we have to add another field like go to ACF, then go to here field groups, our drivers, and duplicate driver designation will be like designation. Okay, remove this part. Okay, this way, yes, perfect. Now this will be like our text. So from here we can choose text, save changes. Now again refresh the page, sorry, before here publish. Okay, registration are done. So from here shuttle operator. Okay, fine. So from here we can just write here shuffle operator, and we can use random number from here like okay, maybe we can add a phone number. For now we can hear something wrong here, so I can just copy this number from here. So from here just phone number, this one, like this email, so email like this one, copy from here email address, driver location, Center Plaza, experience 5 years, here experience 5 years, yes. Then shuffle trips, there is percentage, so you can just write here like 94%, 1%, 85%, then you can 88%, 78%. Okay, just click on update. Now here we can hear our second driver. So from here we can this open from here. then Olivia Bennett. So from here we can just her name, then here image. So from here I just pick her image, then here this short description. So from here I just paste here and publish, because our description is not updated here, so I update all page. Okay, just click here. So from here we can here fleet management driver. Okay, so just here I just last number info, then location like city plus center, for example, driver experience like 3 years. Okay, and here like 87, like 89, like 93, like 78, like 68, for example, those purpose. Now click on update. Now here our third driver, so he can copy her name designation. So her name and designation, so his, so just paste here designation, image, this one, short description. Okay, and here phone number, so like 0, like info, for example this one, experience like 2 years or 4 years. Just use random number, click on publish. Now we have this our fourth driver, so copy from here, name and designation, shuttle operator. Okay, and his description, short description here. Okay, and phone number we can just write here 8, for here email address, just Center Plaza, like 5 years, 67, 89, 94, like 95, like 88. So feature image, so for here feature image I can choose here third image, so our fourth done. Then we have this part, then Emma Williams. So from Emma Williams we can just name and designation. So from here just paste here executive driver, just paste here, sorry here paste, and her description, so copy from here and paste here, and here our this image. Okay, then here phone number we can choose here like 7, email, then city center, then here 15 years, then 67, then 99, then 878, then 87, then 93. Okay, click on publish. Then here this one, so we can just name and designation, copy from here, so just paste here, and here cut this designation, and here from copy this line from here, copy and paste here, and phone number we can choose here 8, then copy here location city center plaza, like 3 years, like 89, like 76, like 93, like 96, and here 89, and here our last image will be this one. Okay, so set feature image, click on publish. Okay, now refresh the page, so our all pages are done. So here we need to our theme builder, that's mean our list. So here loop item, so we need actually driver grid. So from here we don't need any default template, so from here we can write here driver grid. Okay, so from here like publish, from previous settings we can choose here like our drivers, and here we choose which one, like Ethan Collins. So Ethan Collins query we can choose here post. Okay, previous settings. Okay, apply and preview. Okay, so our look, how our look like this, so his image, name, designation, and proof. So for this we can click here plus icon, flexbox. Okay, so go to style, and here border we can choose here solid 1 pixel. We can choose here like border color, radius like 9 pixel. So first we need our featured image. Okay, this showcase here. Then we need our name and designation. So for this we need our or we can add more easily if we choose here like image box. So from here we can choose here like feature image. Then here we can choose here like our post title. Then from here ACF field, driver designation. Then we need a button. So from here we can add a button tag. So button link to will be our button link to our post URL. So go to click here, style, image image size with 100%. Okay, and box from here image spacing we can like 5, content spacing like 0 or like 3 pixel. Okay, image not need, go to content and change font size to 22 pixel or 24, 20, 30 pixel. I think 30 is okay, 20 is okay, yes. So from here we can change color to secondary color and hover effect to our secondary color. Okay, and here from box we can choose to like 5 pixel. Okay, and from here post title. Okay, post title link will be like our post URL. Now this button, go to here view profile, we can add a arrow, so long arrow. So here insert this one, insert right arrow, go to style and here center, and here font size like 70 pixel and text transform like capitalize. Okay, fine. And go to here we can change color to our transparent color and change color to our secondary color and padding to 0. Okay, and here hover effect we can change to our primary color. Okay, fine. And here go to advanced, we can go to advanced, top 10, right 10, bottom 30, left 10. Okay, fine. Now click on publish. Now go to our drivers. So edit page, again edit with Elementor. So page layout we can choose here page layout Elementor full width, and templates we can choose here our templates from our breadcrumb template. So we can choose breadcrumb and insert. Okay, so here we can search for loop grid. Okay, so from here we can search for driver grid. 3, 6. Okay, equal height, and from here query we can choose here our drivers. Okay, so from advanced we can padding top 80 pixel and padding bottom 80 pixel, and here again go to our query, and here from query we can click here order by random. Okay, fine. So here order. Okay, that's great. Now click on publish and preview the page. So our driver page is okay now. Okay, now if you click this profile, for example Ethan Collins, so our single driver page look like this, but here it look more nice and professional. Okay, fine. So for this go to here this part to here, again Elementor theme builder. Now here single post, add new. So here we don't need any template. So from here breadcrumb we can choose here templates. And here we can just choose here our breadcrumb template, here our breadcrumb part. So here breadcrumb, then this layout we can make easily. Okay, so from here click on insert our breadcrumb part. Okay, and from here page settings we can preview settings, we can choose here like our car, not our driver, and Ethan Collins. and click apply and preview. Okay, that's great. Now here two parts. So from here we can choose click icon, we can choose this one. Go to advanced padding, top like 80 pixel and bottom like 30 pixel, and here we can add a featured image. So drag and drop here this image. Okay, then we have this title. So from here we can add post title. Then we need our text area, text editor actually. So from here we can dynamic text ACF field. So click here and settings too, we can choose here like our driver description. Then we need our icon box. So from here we can add a container. So inside this I can add another container. So this container with like 48%. So duplicate this part 2 times, 3 and 4. So from here we can choose here direction this one and flex wrap. So from here we need our icon box. So search for our icon box. This one, stack, style, left align, vertical and middle. So first one will be like our phone number. So just click here, and here our content we can change tag to H4 and phone number. From here we can go to ACF field. Okay, first we change our phone icon. First we have phone number. Okay, click here, and here driver phone number. Okay, that's great. Go to style and icon spacing like 10, content spacing like 3. Go to icon, we can secondary color to our secondary color, size like 16 pixel, radius like 9 pixel. Okay, now here content part, we can go to here text transform uppercase. Okay, font size we can like 14 or 13 pixel, and color change to our secondary color, and hover color change to our secondary color. So from here description, here font weight like 700, font size like we can increase more 17 pixel or 18 pixel I think. Okay, so here, and we need a border. So from here go to advanced, padding like 15 pixel, go to here border type solid 1 pixel, and color change to our border color, and here border radius like 9 pixel. Okay, so copy from here and paste, then paste, then paste. Okay, so from here we can go to layout, and here no spacing, so make it 0. Okay, and from to advanced we can remove all padding. Okay, that's great. Now here our email address. So copy from here email address. So here we can change envelope icon. So change icon, change number, and here we can change to here like driver email address. Okay, now here our location. So just click here. So we can search for envelope icon. Envelope, insert here, just paste here, and we can change here like driver email address. Sorry, not email address actually, it will be like driver location. Then we have experience. So change icon for experience, we can use this icon experience, and change this one to our driver experience. Okay, so this part done. Okay, so we need add condition. So all, not singular, all our drivers. So our next part. So here after this we can add 2 columns. So here we can choose here 2 equal column. Go to style, and from here background type we can choose here busy one. Go to advanced, and padding top like 30 pixel and bottom like 80 pixel. So here we need a heading. So we can just search for heading, change tag to H4, like here skills, and here go to style and change text to our secondary color, and hover color not need. Okay, so font size we can choose 22 pixel 26, then right click copy and here paste. Then here our progress bar, so search for our progress. So we can remove this part from here and go to style, and here background color we can choose border color, height like 40 pixel or decrease more like 30, then color change to our secondary color, and here font to our primary font size like we can choose like 17 pixel or 14 pixel is okay. So just duplicate 2 times, 3, 4, 5. So from here success tips, so we can click here, just click here content, change text, and from here we can change number. So we can here like driver success tips. Okay, yes, okay, perfect. Now immediate availability, now click here ACF field. So from here we can choose here driver immediate availability. Then we have user satisfaction, just click here change text, and here we can update number. So click here number user satisfaction. Then we have support reach. So from here just click here and paste here, and here from ACF fields we can click here and here support reach, then fleet maintenance. So from here just click here, just paste, then here we can ACF field, then click here we can change to fleet maintenance. Okay, this done, and here we can just write here contact me. We can search for font, so drag and drop here, and here we can name, email, font, message. Okay, so name, email, and here email change to 50%, and here after this we can write here like tell and change to text to like font, and change to 50%. Okay, and message raw we can do 2 pixel, 3 is okay, I think, yes. Go to style, and from here column gap 15 and row gap 15. Label spacing we can change to 5, and text color typography spacing okay. Field we can change color to like #DDD. Okay, fine. And here button we can change here button secondary, then hover, and here we can choose here primary color. Okay, and when hover and change color to our secondary color. Okay, perfect. Click on publish. So if you refresh the page, our single driver page. Okay, this is perfectly done. One thing here we have to some design our secondary color, hover color secondary, font size we can choose here like 28. So click on publish. So refresh the page. So our this part is done perfectly now. Okay, so if you click on our drivers part, okay, so if you click many drivers, so everything is perfectly okay now. This way, yes, this part is done and this part done. Okay, so here now we can make our about page and our services page. So our work more smaller will be. So basically about page and our services are copied from our home page. So I just click edit with Elementor. So click this edit page and our services edit page. So from about service our about us page, click on edit with Elementor. Okay, and our services also edit with Elementor. So from here page settings we can choose default to Elementor full width. So from here, breadcrumb. So we can choose our breadcrumb template. So you can just insert here. Okay, so just click on insert. Okay, that's great. Now from home we can copy from our about section. So simply just right click, and here I just save as template. So we can rename this as like about a section. So you can just write here like about, save. Okay, so this template is saved now. Then which part we can need here, like our services. So just click here, save as template, like here services. Okay, this is saved now. After this, which part we can add counter. Okay, so from about, so simply we can just insert our about part from here. So from here, just click on insert and about. So you can add more content as you wish, no problem. So for now, I just click on publish. Okay, for our services, go to here, page settings, and default to Elementor full width. So templates. So we can templates for our breadcrumbs. So here we can just insert our breadcrumbs part. Okay, then I can insert our services part. So from here I can our services, this section. So insert now. Okay, so this page is done now. So our about page and our service page is done now. So after this, go to our then we have our blog page. So click on blog page. So for blog page, go to here, Elementor, theme builder. Then click on archive and add new. So we don't need any template. So from here, breadcrumbs part. So templates. So we can simply use our default breadcrumbs. Okay, so from here we can insert our, and here we don't use page title, simply right here like blocks static as usual, and from here we can remove this part and just write here blocks. Okay, that's perfect. So then we need our loop grid and insert here. So from here we can search for our post grid, this one, and here enable equal height, yes, and query pagination. We can use here numbers plus previous next. So from here go to advanced, padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel. Now click on publish, add condition which is show all archive, actually post archive, yes, save and close. Okay, now refresh the page. It's perfectly done now. Now we have created our, if we go to our blog page in our sample site, if we click any pages, so this is our single post view like this. So I just copy this content from here, okay, and go to here, I just paste this content for like self, this one, and simply paste as content. Click on save changes. Now if you refresh the page, which post, basically this page. So if you single post view like this, okay, so make a nice and attractive like this. So here go to Elementor and theme builder, and here click on single post, add new. So no templates need. So from here we can name this like post single view, post single view. So it's changed to published, and preview settings we can like self something like this, self driven, yes, and preview template, single post, and apply and preview. So we have to design like this. So first we need our breadcrumbs. So go to templates and insert our breadcrumbs part. Okay, now click on plus icon and here flexbox. We can use this layout and this container size to like 20%, and here we can size to like 20%. From here go to advanced, we can add top 80 pixel, bottom 80. First we need our feature image. Okay, fine. So go to style and with 100%. Then we have border solid, 3 pixel. We can choose our border color. Then we have our post title. So just post title here, and here we can add another thing, very important, which is post info. So before after image we can add post image. So time, date. Okay, fine. And here this content change to text like our secondary color, and hover, no hover need. Okay, and font size like 35 pixel, 35. Okay, and line height like 45 or 40. Then we need our post content. Okay, actually we have to okay, so all singular, not only post. Save and close. And from here we can preview settings. We can just write here self this post, because this post have our this content, apply and preview. Okay, yes, now this perfect and everything showcased nicely. So this part is done now. Click on publish. So our single page views done now. We have created now. Okay, one thing, if you have like this one like 20%, so it will be like 60%. Yes, now it's okay now. If you want, you can add design as you wish, what you want. Okay, that's great. Now our last page, which will be our contrast page. So if you check our contrast page here, so basically is our icon box and this Google map and our form part. So for this we can just click on edit this page. Okay, edit with Elementor. So from here page settings we can choose here Elementor full width. Now click for breadcrumbs part, templates, and here insert our breadcrumb. Okay, then click on plus icon. We can choose here equal 3 column. So from advanced, padding top like 80 pixel, padding bottom like 30 pixel, and from here 33.33%, and copy from here and paste style, and then paste style. So here we need icon box. So for this we add another container. So we can just for icon. Then we have actually icon box, basically icon box. So for this we don't need inner container. So icon box, insert, and here go to style, advanced, and from here background we can choose background color to our BG1 color, and from here border we can choose solid 1 pixel and change color to our border color. From layout we can choose padding like 15 pixel. Okay, and from here go to style, icon spacing we can move to like 10, and content spacing like 5. So from icon content we can choose like stack. Okay, go to style, and here icon secondary color. Then from here we can font size like 18 pixel and border radius like 9 pixel. So from here we can just copy this content from here and content and change tag to H4 and paste here, and cut this heading and paste here. Okay, fine. Go to style, and here content we can title font size like 18 pixel, text transform uppercase, okay, 17 pixel or 15. Color change to our secondary color, and hover color change to our secondary color. Then this color is white, okay. Font weight like 600, and font size increase more 18, and here we can choose to like 13 pixel. Okay, that's perfect. So copy this one and paste here and paste here. Then we have font number. So copy this line from here, change icon to our font icon, font, and insert. Then paste here font number and paste. Okay, and then finally our email address. So copy from here. We can search for envelope icon, envelope. So just click on insert and paste here, and click output and paste here. Okay, so this part done, everything okay. Now click on plus icon. We have two equal column. So first we can search for our map icon. So search for Google Maps and just click here, and content, we can call address. We can change icon like location icon, this one, and change here this one to our this address. Okay, and then we have our form. Again we can form part. So one things, name, email, font, message. Okay, so here duplicate this part, and here we can search for our tail, and here we can here like font number, and here font 50%, and email we can choose to like 50%. Okay, and go to style. We can add background color. So from here we can add like busy one, and from here we can add border solid 1 pixel and change color to border, and here advanced we can padding like 15 pixel. Okay, now go to here this icon style, then here 15 pixel. Okay, then here field we can choose border color like #DDD. Okay, fine. Then here font we can choose level spacing like 10 pixel. Okay, fine. Now here go to our buttons. So buttons alignment position left. From here we can choose secondary color, and here hover effect we can change to our primary color. Okay, and while hover we can change color to our secondary color. So our this part is done now. So in actually we have a settings for our single driver. So go to here single driver. So from here driver grid, driver single post archive, single view post single car grid, driver grid, single post which is our post single view. Okay, and now we have our go to our footer part, because we have to here create another menu part. So from menus part we can create a new menu and name this like footer 1, and here create menu. Okay, and it will be all cards. So view all, select all, add to menu. Now again refresh the page. So from here actually here footer part we can just change to like our footer 1. Click on publish, menus part, and save menu. So already we done our all pages. So we have to create our few inner pages like our privacy policy, disclaimer, terms, condition page. So for this we can create here theme builder. So we can create a single page view. So just click a single page, create an add new. So if you go to our sample page, for example, which is our sample page, if we check the sample page, so you can understand. So we don't need any one. So from here go to here, we can choose here like breadcrumbs, and here we can choose here breadcrumb. Clear on add condition all pages, okay, is need all pages, that's great. And from here we can go to page layout preview settings. We can just write here like sample page for checking sample page. Okay, just create on publish, refresh the page. Okay, done. So here our plan is left side will be content, right side we have two menu, so list. So for this, one is car list, other is driver list. Okay, so for this we can add a loop item. So clear car grid, car single, driver grid. So one is car list, other is driver list. So from here we can just go to here content, just name here like car list, and here we can choose like publish preview settings. We can choose here post to our car, and here like Ellen, sorry, not car, like Porsche. Okay, query. Okay, fine. Now click on plus icon, we can this one. So from here we can just write here our post title. Actually not post title, we can search for icon list. So from here we can just write here like post title. Okay, and from here we can go to here preview settings query. We can choose here like preview settings, general settings, publish car list, preview settings, our car Porsche, and apply and preview. Okay, that's great. And here we can add go to advanced, and here we can add border 9 and border like solid, and check 1 pixel, and like border will be our border color. And from layout we can change padding like 15 pixel, okay, or 10 pixel. Okay, and here go to here we can change to like car icon, this icon. Okay, and from here go to style and change icon color to our secondary color. Click on publish. Okay, refresh the page again. Okay, so here we can add a plus icon. We can this layout, go to advanced, and from padding top 80 and bottom 80, and here we can search for loop grid. So we can search for card list. Okay, so our card list, and here query we can search for post to our cards. Okay, fine. And here one things maybe here missing here. So here list we can here go to here inline. Okay, again refresh the page. Sorry, this one. Edit template, maybe this one. What is the problem? Sorry, one column. Actually I am missing my this one column. Okay, and from here item 6. Okay, query. Okay, style here gap between column 0, row between 0. Yes, that's perfect. And here we can add a heading like all cards, S2C cards. And from here change text to age 4, and from here go to style and change color to our secondary color and hover color. Okay, fine, I think is okay now. And here just duplicate this part and duplicate this template. So here we can move to this button. So here will be like experience driver. Experience driver, just click on publish and add condition. Yes, save changes. Now click on our sample page. Yes, that's perfect. So from here car list is done now. Now again go to theme builder. So our will be now our driver list. So here add new, so we can have our loop item. So no templates need actually. So from here just here driver list. Okay, click on publish. Okay, preview settings we can change to our driver, and for here we can ln. Okay, for now query is okay. Just click on apply. So click on plus icon, we have a single column, and go to style, and from here we can add border color to change to our border. Sorry, not background color, not need actually. Okay, so from here actually border solid 1 pixel. We can choose here like border 9 pixel, and from advanced like padding 15, and from here we can search for image box. So image box, style left align, vertical and middle. So from here image we can here we can choose here like image from featured image. Okay, fine. And here description from here like our post title. Okay, and from here the description too we can choose to ACF field, and then here we can choose here designation. Okay, fine. And here this name we can link to our post URL. Go to style, and from here content spacing we can remove this part 10, and here like 3. Go to image, image size like 20%. Go to height, default solid. We can choose 1 pixel, and color change to primary color, and here radius like few 3 pixel. Okay, so from here name content we can go to here font size like this one 16 pixel, and from here we can change color to our secondary color and hover secondary color, and here this description. So from here we can font size 12 pixel. Okay, click on publish. Now again refresh the page. Okay, so from here experience driver we can edit template. Actually sorry, remove this part. And this driver. Okay, so here we can I can just remove this page again and go to theme builder. So our post single card get Elementor single page. Okay, sorry, this one single page, and click on edit. So exclusive cards. So we can just search for loop grid. Here we can search for driver list, and from query we can select here like our drivers. From layout we can choose like 1 column. Okay, that's great. And go to style 0 row gap 0. So all drivers showcase now, and unfortunately add condition all singular include all pages actually. So save and close. Now refresh the page. Pages all, save and close. Okay, so unfortunately maybe this missing, no problem. And here left side simply we can just post content, so all content will be showcased here. Okay, that's fine. So our single page view is nicely done now, and you can like this same, you can add cards previously, maybe unfortunately deleted, no problem. Hopefully you can easily get it. So our all page fully dynamic and fully okay now, and hopefully you enjoy it and like yeah. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice